If you've ever considered going off-grid, an off-grid solar system might just be your new best friend. Picture this: complete independence from your local utility company. No more dreaded power bills arriving every month. And you'll be doing the environment a solid by reducing your carbon footprint. Let's delve into what makes off-grid solar systems so appealing. First up, financial freedom. Imagine slicing around $1,500 annually from your utility bills. Yes, that's the average savings people see when they make the transition. Make it into a 5-year plan, do the math, right? And you're looking at some serious cash. Now, what's better than reliability? An off-grid solar system keeps the lights on even when nature decides to meddle. Think about those wild storms or unexpected power grid failures. These systems laugh in the face of blackouts, keeping your life running smoothly. A common concern is the installation cost. Yes, the initial outlay, approximately $10,000 to $30,000, is upfront, but think about it like an investment. Over time, as the system generates energy, you're essentially, printing money. Not to mention adding value to your property is a neat bonus. Battery storage is the beating heart of an off-grid system. Top-tier batteries promise power on cloudy days or at night. Lithium-ion batteries, for example, last up to 15 years and require almost no maintenance, which sounds like every homeowner's dream. No internet or cable dependency. Being off-grid doesn't mean living in a cave. Satellite internet and other modern amenities are still within reach. Living uninfluenced by digital corporations is strangely satisfying. Yet you remain connected when needed. Pro tip: regular maintenance equals longevity. Allocate time every few months for panel planing, debris removal, and checking wiring. This ensures maximum energy absorption. It's a small effort trade-off for uninterrupted power freedom. Off-grid systems also tap into the beauty of nature. The sun is your go-to power source, and the satisfaction knowing your toaster is powered by a giant star is oddly rewarding. You're literally harnessing cosmic energy, and who wouldn't want a slice of that power? Let's talk sustainability. Embrace zero emissions and a clean conscience. And with global temps rising and environmental concerns mounting, having your home powered by a renewable energy source is a giant leap toward a sustainable lifestyle. Security is another underlined benefit. And off-grid homes aren't just power independent. They're often tucked away from bustling neighborhoods. If self-sufficiency and privacy sound appealing, this system creates a secure haven in a technology-rich world. Remote locations are no longer just for vacation. With off-grid solar systems, any place with ample sunlight becomes livable. Think of owning a secluded cabin or yurt in the woods. Off-grid power means there's no need to sacrifice comfort or connectivity. Ultimately, off-grid solar systems empower you to take charge of how you consume energy. While the journey begins with a choice, the rewards, personal, financial, environmental, are manifold. You'll be the master of your own micro power station. Welcome to the future of energy freedom.